bastard! Excuse me, yes! You should have jumped out of the keke, man,
Your mama never trained you for house. I go slap you there now. Hey, get out!
See this one.
I shower like you.
Like your papa, your mama.
For days I haven't seen him. He hasn't called me. He hasn't been here. Where is he? Don't you think he has abandoned me because of my condition?
The time that I need her most, and she decided to leave me, and I'm in this situation. He just walk out, leave me.
You've literally taken everything that makes me happy in life.
What do you mean?
Just one little thing. One little promise you made, you could not even keep it.
Mortuary standard. Thank you.
Why you ask that? You never know. Balance.
The ways of God is not the ways of man.
So you married me to kill me, Ekwa? No, since you couldn't kill me in the accident, you decided to bring me to your house to come and kill me here.
Very annoying girl. She caused this. See me now, I'm in a wheelchair. Can you imagine? I'm here in the hospital. And she has the guts to want to fight with me.
Is this supposed to be any fault of mine? No, did I willingly confide myself to a wheelchair?
I am an adult. A full-blown adult.
Enoka, where are you going?
Wait now.
Enoka, God will punish you wherever you are going to. God will punish you.
I'm a young lady in her prime. You don't expect me to...
You are indirectly mocking my son.
No, Mama, you know he doesn't have legs.